everyone, myself Vishvender Singh Tomar. I would like to thank the placement board team for providing me this platform where I am going to share my placement experience with Samsung Engineering. Group is a very big group which constitutes of 17 companies and ranked among top 50 Fortune companies. It has 3 subdivisions related to our core branches like Samsung C&T, Samsung Heavy Industry and Samsung Engineering. I will be talking about Samsung Engineering, which has business areas related to hydrocarbon, energy sectors, oil and refineries. Samsung Engineering India recruits only for design profile. It has office situated at Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It recruits from the departments like mechanical, electrical, civil and chemical department. Of SEI goes as step 1, shortlisting of candidates. There is no hard and fast rule of deciding particular cutoff about the shortlisting. They require top 20 to 25 students of particular department to sit in. Then there will be PowerPoint presentation by the company where they will be having a panel of 8 to 9 engineers. They will tell you about what exactly they do in their particular divisions. Then there is written test. In written test you can expect 25 questions in technical test in about 60 minutes. The format of the paper will be specifically objective questions and you can expect 2 to 3 questions subjective as well. The questions are related to engineering services and GATE's previous year questions, and then you will be sent for aptitude test. In aptitude test you have to just qualify a particular cutoff, and after qualifying that the merit list will be solely based on technical test. The top 9 or 8 students of the technical test will be sent for technical interviews. After technical interview you will be sent to HR interviews, and then you can expect results around 2 to 3 days after the company visit. Who took my interview were quite friendly and highly specialized people. Obviously I was feeling very nervous, but they helped me at my ease by quoting some jokes and asking me about my family background. Then they started with CV, and then they asked me about my interns. I did my intern at NTPC, Hero Motocorp and Indian Railways. They asked 3 questions from each. I carried some design intentionally to show them, and they were quite surprised and impressed by my work with 3D solid modeling softwares. Then they asked me questions about my projects, about like the properties of petroleum product, like the design of IC engine and the design of wind turbine. Then they asked me to select any 4 or 5 subjects which are my core strength. Then I selected them and I told them accordingly what I know in which department this company was dealing in their presentation. Then I told them accordingly, like power plant engineering, fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines, heat and mass transfer, refrigeration and air conditioning, and etc etc. Then they asked me questions about LMTD method and its practical application, critical radius of insulation, the specific and unit speed of all the 3 turbines, the cavitation and surge tank phenomena, and the boiler design and its layout characteristic, the thermal component design, etc. Then I was sent to the final HR interview. The various questions the HR asked me in HR interview were: why do you want to join Samsung Engineering India? Which thing came first, hen or its egg? Having this good CV, why don't you prefer to go for higher study? What are your strengths and weakness? How do you want to serve this society? Things you want to work on about yourself. Traveling, any problem in traveling to South Korea or Middle East? Your future aim and ambitions. Make your passport and PAN card ready. I answered them all these as best as I could. And then he told me, I want to see you at the office on 1st of July 2015. I guess it is Wednesday. Hearing this, I was just shocked and I cannot express this feeling till now. But according to me, the answer to these questions should be based on what you are, who you believe in. These answers should be spontaneous. These answers should not be you read on some source and tell them. The HR is a very highly skilled professional. He is not here to judge you. He is here to see how you are tackling the scenario or problem or answering these questions. That's all. For companies dealing with this kind of work like Technip Limited, L&T Limited, Petrofac, Punjloid, Jacob Engineering or Reliance etc. do focus on your projects, internships and subjects like HMT, RAC, fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines, machine designs and power plant engineering. For HR interview, just try to be who you are and you can crack any interview then. Doing such a great work for you all there and will surely amaze you in near future. So please do subscribe here and please comment below. They cannot be any more happier than replying you back. Thank you.